Welcome to this short story, Miss Know-It-All and the Mirror. Every dog nyam bone, but them never see them own tail a dragging of the mud. Translation: every dog chews a bone, but they never see their own tail dragging in the mud. Miss Marjorie was the unofficial mayor of Kingston's gossip scene. If you sneezed wrong, she had an opinion. If your patty was too flaky, she critique your dough technique. If your man left you, she say, "I saw me no sick. Him did a walk like him did a carry last week's soup." Miss Marjorie's favorite spot? Her veranda, where she'd sip tea, fan herself, and dissect everyone's life. From Miss Betsy's new wig, look like a chicken, get loose inna the weave factory, to Mr. Brown's new car, a which bank him rob fee by that. But while Miss Marjorie was busy judging the world, her own life was crumbling. Her dream of opening a bakery, buried under years of tomorrow, Lord willing. Her garden, overgrown with weeds and excuses. And her daughter, Latoya, moved to Canada, tired of hearing, "You see how Tasha daughter do big things. Why you can't be like her?" One evening, after a particularly fiery session of judging her neighbor's new fence, looked like a blind man build it, Miss Marjorie tripped over a loose board on her own veranda. As she lay there, nursing her bruised ego, she looked up and saw her reflection in the window. The house behind her was peeling, the curtains were torn, and her dream, like her garden, was wilting. The next morning, the neighborhood was stunned. Miss Marjorie wasn't on her veranda. Instead, she was painting it. Then she fixed the fence. Then she baked a batch of rum cakes and sold out in an hour. When Miss Betsy asked where this sudden change come from, Miss Marjorie just laughed and said, "Me did a watch everybody tail drag in a mud, but never see me own. Time to clean up me own yard." Moral lesson: life's too short to be the director of everyone else's movie, while yours is stuck on pause. Focus on your own script, flaws, fumbles and all. And remember, every dog nyam bone, but them never see them own tail a drag in a the mud. Miss Marjorie, now too busy counting cash from her bakery, waves at the neighbors, who are finally the ones whispering about her success.